How to instantly verify your Binance account. What's up everyone, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how you can verify your Binance account instantly. But before getting started, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Now let's get into it. The first thing you need to do is open up your Binance application and make sure that you are logged into your account. And if you are not logged in, go ahead and tap on sign up or login. Now you can just enter your account information to continue. And once you are logged into your account, you should see the verify identity right here on top. But if you don't see it, you can tap on the Binance icon on the top left to tap on action required to verify your Binance account. Verifying your account has different features, including you can enable your professional mode and access all of the feature of Binance. So it will increase your security as well, and you can have higher withdrawal limits. You can access to full features and regulatory compliance as well. You can have enhanced customer support and many more of these benefits. So to do that, you can go ahead and tap on action required or verify your account. If you don't see it here, you can just tap on verify identity. Now, to do that, you first need to have a valid ID, a valid government ID or official, like your citizenship or passport. You need a government issued ID. You select your country, tap on continue, enter your first and last name. So you'll have to select your country or region or nationality, tap on continue. You'll have to verify your date of birth. Make sure all of these information is uh, matched with your government ID. So go ahead and enter your information. And once you have entered that, just tap on continue. You'll have your home address. Just follow all of these on-screen instruction, and when it comes to upload your ID, make sure that your ID is clearly visible and upload it. Then you'll have to provide a selfie too and tap on continue, and within a few days your ID will be verified. I hope you found it helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.